Java variables are very much like variables as explained in the previous video. We use it as some sort of container, passing it around. And what is in it, we'll find out during runtime. Well, partially. We can define and initialize a variable. We need 3 different parts. Type, for example, a number or a piece of text. A name, whatever you want to call the variable, this starts with lowercase. And a value, what the content of the value is, so what the variable represents. In case of a number, the value could be 5. This is what a number could look like. Int x equals 5. Int is the type, x is the name, and 5 is the value. And here's another example. String hobby equals coding. String is the type. This is the type for text values. Hobby is the name of the variable. And coding is the value of the variable. Java forces us to make the type of the variable known during compile time already. Forcing to know the type during compilation means that a lot of surprises, and in this case the surprises are errors, called exceptions, will not occur when running the program, but prior to running the program. So instead of having our program breaking down during runtime, it breaks down during compile time, prior to running the program. We have 2 types of variable types. Sorry if that sounds confusing, but hear me out. We have primitive types and reference types. The reference types are for objects and the primitive types are for storing values directly. There are a lot of built-in reference types that we will deal with. These are built-in classes, and we have an infinite total amount since you can create your own types using classes. There are 8 primitive types. Let's explore them in the next video.